And now it's my pleasure to welcome on stage Yvette Cameron. So Yvette, I've talked about earlier in the presentation how the applications were designed to work together. And one of the main reasons why customers switch is this continuous innovation, and in particular with machine learning and artificial intelligence underneath. Now, recently we introduced Oracle Journeys to the HCM suite of products, and Oracle Journeys really allow customers, our HR managers and employees to create unique employee experience. Can you talk to the audience a little bit about Oracle Journeys?
Yeah, absolutely, Steve. So Oracle Journeys is an enterprise employee experience platform. It's designed to meet the needs of individuals across the full enterprise, whether they are a sales leader, whether they are a product manager, or even an HR specialist. We are super excited about this. We have three major components of the enterprise employee experience platform. And the first and probably most fundamental is the Employee Journeys Launchpad. And this is where individuals are able to go and find and discover all the journeys that are appropriate for them in whatever role that they have in the organization. These journeys are recommended to them by managers, by administrators, but also by artificial intelligence based on triggers and activities that are naturally happening for individuals in the course of their employment. And so the second major component of our enterprise employee experience platform is Journeys Creator. And this is really where it gets exciting. Individuals are able to create the journeys that they need for their organization. So whether you're an HR leader or a manager of a team, you're able to not only modify what we deliver out of the box, but also create exactly what's appropriate for your organization. We do that through a low-code, no-code environment so that individuals are able to connect not only to applications and different systems across the enterprise, but beyond the enterprise as well. And this is actually where the third part comes in, which is what we call Journeys Booster. This is again, another low-code or no-code environment using Oracle's process automation to make it really easy for individuals to complete transactions that span far beyond the enterprise, but still keep that experience within what they're used to in their Oracle HCM application. So we're really excited about this. Not only are we delivering great experiences, Steve, but we're keeping the information safe and secure because it's all built within a native platform.
So that was great. I think Journeys really resonates with the early customers so far. And at least personally, I know that the onboarding, as amongst other processes, it helps you with that, what do I do next? And both by machine learning and dictated. So that's great. Now, another example, we built the application to all work together, the same unified data model. And it allows our customers to really model end-to-end business flows and not just execute point areas. Now, another area we introduced just a few weeks ago is Oracle Dynamic Skills Solution. And here, the key differentiator is that we're able to use skills data to enrich HR talent and marketing processes. So can you talk a little bit about Oracle Dynamic Skills?
Yeah, absolutely. Oracle Dynamic Skills is probably one of the most important initiatives that we're delivering today, given the fact that so many organizations have been facing disruption in their workforce. Individuals themselves are having to ask themselves, do I return to work? Do I change my job? Have I got the skills that I need to present myself best for opportunities? And even they're asking, how do I ensure that I'm presenting myself? Have I got the right language? And so we've introduced Oracle's Dynamic Skills. This is an AI-driven machine learning technology and capability that enables organizations fundamentally to know and understand the skills of their organization and align it to their comprehensive talent supply chain, their skills demands and their skills needs.
That's great. And those are just two examples of features of these hundreds we deliver quarter after quarter, and two great examples of AI and ML. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Yvette.
You bet, Steve.